Why should you enroll here in Tacunan National High School? As a senior high school student,
Are you ready to launch your child's futures into orbit? At Tacunan National High School, we don't just prepare for exams.
We equip them with the skills and confidence of thrive in a rapidly changing world.
as you can see at the previous clips, Tacunan National High School offers TVL tracks, which is EIM, ICT, Bake and Pastry Production, and Agri-Fishery, which you can get 2 in situ after you finish senior high school, because grade 11 offers in situ here.
We also have here Humanities and Social Sciences to help each student reach their full potential.
Discover how Tacunan National High School can unlock your child's future.
More than just a school, Tacunan National High School is a vibrant community where students flourish.
We believe in nurturing not only academic excellence, but also a strong character and a lifelong love of learnings.
Our dedicated teacher, supportive staff, and engaging extracurricular activities create an environment where every student feels valued, challenged, and supported.
Learn more about the Tacunan National High School family and how we can help your child thrive.